Hey Forever family, we're back. Are you ready to kick off day one of Dx4? Give us a shout in the comments. We really want to hear from you. The theme for day one is Decide. Your first day of Dx4 is all about honoring your decision to start a path to inner awareness. As you begin day one, stay in the moment and take advantage of the invaluable insight you will gain by being 100% present. Today you will fast and start taking the nutritional products and supplements in the program. Every 2 to 3 hours, you have something new to look forward to. Whether it's the energy from Therm Plus or the satiety of Sensatiable, you'll find a complete schedule for taking your supplements on day one on page 10 of your booklet. Now it's time to tune in with yourself and understand what your goal for Dx4 is. Do you want to focus on an aspect of your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, or social health? You can find a guide for this that includes a self-reflection analysis on pages 12 and 13 in your booklet. While it's great to want to improve in multiple areas, with Dx4 we really want you to hone in on just one specific goal. This will help give you focus and help you get the most out of the program. One small goal is all we ask, one small change. We know we're not going to change your entire world in 4 days, but we do know the power of setting one goal, setting affirmations to that goal, focusing on it, and completing it through the 4 days. On page 13, you'll also find your day one assignment. We recommend using a journal or an electronic device for any assignments and making all notes during Dx4. With assignment 1, you'll dig deeper into your goal to understand why this change is important to you and how it will impact your life. Part of this assignment is also gratitude for what led you to choose this goal and to celebrate one small victory for the day. Remember, celebrating your achievements is a pillar of Dx4. We encourage you to acknowledge yourself for the steps you take to improve your health, even if they feel small. Maybe today you celebrate the fact that you stayed hydrated, or that you spent an extra 10 minutes on your morning walk. Or maybe it's that you started this journey. You'll end day one with an affirmation that you can meditate on. This is crucial to the mindset aspect of Dx4. Using your answers from the assignment, create your own affirmation of envisioning an evolved version of yourself. This version that is taking the Dx4 journey. You can find an example affirmation to help you create your own on page 13 of your booklet. We're so excited to be with you along this journey, and we believe in you. You've got this. Remember to begin today with an open heart and mind, knowing that a deeper connection to your mind and body and spirit is on the horizon.